let's see the tracking results and artifacts with MLflow. We need to run the MLflow server in a terminal. We can do this in our place, in our folder. And we need to give the backend story URI, and it can be SQLite, but also MySQL, MS SQL, and PostgreSQL. After that, we need to define the default artifact root. It's in our folder per artifacts, and it's the host. So before we are doing experiments, we need to run this. And before we are doing experiments, we need to set tracking URI. Okay, and now our MLflow server is running, and we have already experiment results. And now we want to see the results and the artifacts. We can do this with MLflow UI. It's running here. So we need to run this in our folder, and we can click on this, and we can see here our experiments. It's our baseline results. So we can see here our best one, and we can see also the other ones. Okay, and these are the sessions for this experiment. So the name of this experiment is by us, so we defined this in a setup function. And we can see the models, so they are sklearn models, and we can show many things for them. Click here, and we can see the user, the source, the version, the models, and different metrics. For example, we want to show APC and AUC, and there are many other parameters we can show on the web user interface. So now we can see the metrics, APC and AUC, and we can set these columns here. We can make filtering, so we can see only, for example, results from the last 30 days. We can sort in many ways based on the created, the user, run name, source, different metrics. But we can click also here. We can give custom rules here. We can refresh this table, and we can also check and compare different experiments. We have now a new column name, this experiment name. If you don't see that, you need to set here to see the experiment name. And if I want to see only this model, we can see many things for this model. The description, which is none, the parameters of this model, also the results for different metrics, the tags, if there are. We can add custom tags, and we can see the artifacts here. So the model artifact, the conda YAML, the model, PKL, the Python env.yaml, and also the requirements.txt. And also the holdout.html, and we can check the results on the holdout dataset.